ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ki MLA ki badan hagaliang persya kila thalan ting ya ka sarkar MDA ka baleram dau Konrad Sangma bad kani kajing thalan ki MLA kaliang persya kadai hagajing yatai ya ka mat ya kren balawan ra dau MLA ka Kongres na rangsa kona uzenit Sangma kamat ka bakadau ya kajing pel jong ka sarkar MDA ki MLA baper jong kaliang persya kila kadau ya ki babon ki mat nadu ka roi ka par kajing kta ka shong pat ki wei pan Kato kat netili gimat ki bakaliang persya kalather kalong hakbaydey barka ILP kaba ka Ïing Dorbar kaladep banshim da karai hanrai hadu mentaru ke sarkar India kampat menjur kadbaya ka Manipur pat ke sarkar India kala ai kila kren halor ka jing teng jong ka kam kabaydey barka them motor ka jing bem kam ka MRSSA ki kenram hakatanat MEECL bat kiwai pan Haba juba mi kejingkeren ki MLA kaliang persya menteri rangba kejelau Konrad Sangma ulah herwit kela ya kaliang persya ada kebaong bala bun snem kila don haka sorkar henrei ka ei bakila le haka bayadei bat ka ILP ulah ong baka sorkar ka barimlei kala kernga kli bat kam kwa hiru ya ka ILP henrei kini ka sorkar kala wanra ada resolution hapo ke Ïing Dorbar Hakbayadei bat ka jingdawa ban penrung ya ka ktien khasi bat garo haka kharnet ka bapra jong ka riti sensar u Konrad Sangma ulaong bala ada ki posnem kiliang persya kila bat ya ka bor sensar henrei ayu kila le henrei kani ka sarkar ka bamenta kalawan ra da ka resolution hapo ka Ïing Dorbar halor ka jingkren ya upur sam u Konrad ulaong ba ungay Babaro ki MLA ki badan hakaliang persya ki bala kren sa pangupu sam lada klempet kot kinam la ban ken mau tangi ki kerteng jong ki khat artli ki jaka ya ka jaru henrei mau la bolut hajabing bat kane ka pen i ka jing shimkhia jong ka sarkar na ka benta ka kamput kamsam hagaye dei bat ka kam doyong ulaong bahadin baga NGT kala khang ka sarkar ka barim kamshim lale AA henrei kane ka sarkar ka bathmai kala lai ban ujor sa ka Supreme Court bat shen ka jingti doyong da ka jing start science hagani ka jilla kan sa sedang biang Menteri rangba ulaong bakani ka sarkar ka bamenta kala shim ki mat ki badan kam ki bagi wei pat ki sarkar ki bamensua kim shim lanot watang man kta aru haga roi ka paru ulaong baka jela kala keu bonsha bani ka bamensua bat kane ka pen i ka jingla jong ka sarkar ban trei kam ne ka benta ka bit ka biang jong ki pat ba ka jela hadin ka jubab no menteri rangba u MLA ka Kongres u Zenit Sangma ula yang ban kedau ki ardli mat ki bo sngoshon bat ki ba ukwa ban kren henrei kalami pen bantar ka Jingïakura hapadeng jong u bar u MLA ka William Nagar u Marcus N Marak bat kalami ru ka Jingïakdew kti bat ka Jingïakdew Miej hakatai ka por henrei kam hadin unang ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma ula penjam no bat u lampang ru shim la ai la shu bandang peteng ya katai ka Jingïakdew inia
I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister for making effort to give extensive reply and response to our submission. But having said this, in the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, I could see he was trying to compare and rather responding to the points that we have submitted. He was trying to speak in the air. Without basing on the facts and figures, I doubt. So randomly, I just selected 2 points. In his DISA meeting, he has found National Old Age Pension Scheme till 2 years also, people were not getting. Because he is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is not in the opposition. So it should be his every word that he utters should be based on facts and figures, sir. Just clarification. It is just clarification. I have the right to seek any clarification. Even the in which it took 1 year, I would like to get categorical reply by the Honorable Chief Minister, because it is the habitual of this Honorable Chief Minister to point out like this, comparing without not basing on the facts and figures. And, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to refer to the submission made by the Honorable Member from Fulbury.
Sir, under Rule 300, sir, I'd like to raise a point of order.
Give my submission, sir.
Okay.
Mr. S.G. Esmatur Mominin, in his submission, was referring to the incident due to ambush in 2005. It is a closed chapter. Judicial inquiry was done and completed. But if I speak the truth, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am just talking. Let me talk about. I am not scared. That is why I am speaking. If I would have been scared, I would just keep quiet. I would just keep quiet.
Why are you scared?
If I am scared.
Why are you scared?
This is high time that I will.
Why can't we discuss?
Acquisition.
Why can't we discuss?
Let me submit, sir. Let me submit. It is not the place to play politics. Chief Minister himself has said that to keep politics aside. It is because of malicious and political conspiracy made by certain politicians.
We're lost. Why you are scared of discussing this?
I am not scared.
You are scared.
If I would have been scared, I would keep quiet, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Yeah, you could carry on. But
people are watching.
Please be calm.
If you don't have the right to speak, don't speak.
Please be calm.
Is it the procedure,
Please
sir?
be calm now. Don't repeat. Please go on.
After my submission, let them speak also.
Yeah.
Point of order under Rule 300, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Yeah, that's what I said.
In any motion or any discussion, members who have participated in the discussion only can participate further to seek any clarification. I did not see the honourable member from William Nagar participating in this particular short duration discussion. I don't know whether he participated. He can also seek clarification. No. Deputy Speaker, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would request
Denying
you
the honourable members,
allow me to.
Listen to me, sir. Yeah.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I think.
It's better we close it. There's no need to move further, sir. We have got a whole business of the government to work, so the supplementary demands need to be passed. Sir, I would urge, all that has happened, let us just leave that. Let us move forward. We are all responsible members. I don't think we need to continue with this. So this is a short duration. I urge you, sir, to use your wisdom to continue with the other members.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I think there is no space for us to demonstrate our emotions in this August House. It is not necessary.
Yeah, that's why I have.
So whenever any concern is to be flagged, let every honourable member of the August House take recourse to the available space provided by the rules of procedure and conduct of business and do so. That is my submission.
Point.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think this is the first time ever inside the House where the short duration discussion is more than 2.5 hours. Sir, as per the rules, I think right from the very beginning, we refer to the rules, maximum 2.5 hours, and now it's more than 2.5 hours. So therefore, sir, I think let us close this business, and then we can take up another business of the day, sir.
Now we come to item number 4, voting on supplementary demands for clearance.